So in this previous video we will talk about how you can create database and how you can create table inside your database using MySQL command prompt. So now let's see how you can insert data into your table using MySQL command prompt. First log in into your MySQL command prompt and then let's see how many database we have. So for that the command from show database. So we have the three databases, and in the previous video we create a student database. So let's select this. So for that we need a command called use and database name. So database name is student, so and database is change. So let's see how many tables inside our database. For that we have command called show tables, and we have this two tables. So let's see how many fields inside our table. For that we need a command called describe the table, called desc, and table name. We have the four fields inside our table. So let's insert the data into our table. So for that we need a simple command called insert into and table name. So let's insert the data inside our table. So insert into our table name. So our table name is stud. So now we will skip the id because it is auto increment. So now we have add name, add the field name here, then comma, then roll number, then marks. Complete the process and enter the one like values. So all it takes in SQL, we need to add the single quotation for that. So I add the single quotation and let me enter my name. So I enter my name, single quotation complete, then comma, then add the roll number. So let's add my roll number 01, then comma, add your marks. So let me add the grade point 0. Let's complete this and then enter the comma here and hit the enter. So now you can see query OK and one row is affected. So how you can see your data? For that we need a command called select star from. Star means we view all the information inside our table, star from and table name. So our table name is stud and semicolon and enter. So now you can see it here, the name is added here, roll number and marks, and the id is auto increment. So we not add the id, it will be automatically incremented for you add data inside your database. So let's enter some 3 to 5 data into your table and let's perform other operation also. So I add some record into my table. So let's see, describe the table. So select start from stud, and we have entered 6 records in our table. So let's see, in case you need to add one more field into your table, so how you can insert the new field into your table. For that we need a command called alter table and a table name called stud and add. So here column name, so let me add cd and their data type var char and size and enter. So let's see our new field added or not. For that we need a command called desc and stud. So the cd is added into your table. So how you can add the record inside it? So let's see. So this is null. Okay, so how we can add? So insert into stud city value Mumbai. Let's see. So now you can see this record is added separately. So how you can add some let's consider we need to change the city of the Mukesh. So let's add for the Mukesh. So for that we need a command called update table name. Let's set we need to add city where id is equals to let me add in 2 and semicolon. Sorry, we not add the city here, so equals to, let me add and where id is equals to 2. and hit enter. So let's see. So now you can see the student Mukesh, the city has updated. So next condition is how you can delete this null record or this junk record in your database. For that we need a simple command called delete table name, delete from table name and condition where and id equals to, let's call it 7. Now you can see it here, this particular row is deleted from our table. So let's change this all cities name. We need to change these cities, so I updated the city name. So now you can see we will modify all the information inside our table. We updated the city. So in this video we will talk about how you can. That's it for this video.